just had the luma, like they just said they are okay. So this is the compound. I'm just showing you. So this is the compound. That's the video. This is where you used to cook from. So guys, we have been doing so pretty sure. So guys, we continue. So today we have been doing something that is so good. I think this was the last day of this massive fair. I think we are done. So I guess it was a nice nini to come here. So you see everything starts from a small thing, from a single step. So I think we are done with the construction. So we are waiting for instructions from Marwa to give us information because he's the man behind this construction. So you know, sometimes when you just go to Lom, you just do what the Lomans do, right? So I have to coordinate with the people who are just under this construction. I cannot show you beyond the proximity. So I guess I'm just waiting for the grand opening of the feeder. I guess it's supposed to be on Sunday. Yeah. So on Sunday, we are supposed to open this feeder. And then from there, we do the warding of the feeder. You know, you cannot just have a good feeder or a good bungalow without security. You know, security is one of the factors for human beings. The essential factors for human beings. Security is the major thing. So guys, stay tuned and continue supporting me. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and also leave a sweet comment under below. And also, I just came to realize in this village there's a lot of people. Like the demography is not too small, but they are so sparse. Like they stay in distances, like here, there. It is not densely populated or something, but there are a lot of people in this community. But also they are so coordinating. They just live together. One of the fundamental factors for human beings we are supposed to do is to live together. At the moment we work together, we live together, we do everything in coordination. That is what we just want, unity. They just live in unity. So guys, today was the last day in the mega feeder. So what you are just going to see from tomorrow is just like preparations, more of preparations of grandma. But the grandma is not feeling okay. She was just admitted to the hospital ward. So you don't know the issue, of course. So, you know, sometimes I'm not allowed. And I just say we are not allowed to speak things that we are not sure of. So sometimes I just relax to see the final information. You know, I cannot just say things. I just came here, I'm just a visitor, so I cannot just say things like, yo, you see the grandma, she what, is sick. Other things we just wait for instruction from the boss, you know, already, you know. So, but at least you should know I'm not fearless. I'm fearless actually. I was just saying I'm fearless. Without inception, I'm fearless. So, guys, from here, I'm planning to stay here for a while, just for a while, to do the documentaries, to feature my friends. You know, I just came here, I just got some friends from this place. So I just want to feature my friends in these documentaries. And then from there, I just go around the village, I see what what are the common spots to hang out, to do videos. And then from there, I will just go back to my working place, that is the city, the capital of Kenya, that is Nairobi. And then else, and then what else? Yeah, I think that is the schedule. Yeah, because I am just making assumptions. By the end of Monday, everybody is supposed to go to their homes. We just give space for grandma and the family to stay here. Because we cannot just stay here. We were just here as a volunteer. Actually, I just came here as a volunteer. I'm not just working for money. And suppose I don't need money I don't need money to just to do charity for a widow. I cannot ask money from a widow. Seriously, I cannot. So I was also helping. I was part of the gangs, all the people who were just helping here. So maybe God will pay me in a good way. Who knows? God will pay me in a good way. Big time. So guys, if you are just watching there, support me please. And one of these fine days, I'm just going to do my story. Of course, everybody has a story, right? Everybody has a story. So I'm just going to do my story. Where I just come from, why I just went to school, and what did I do in university or college? Where did I work initially before? So I'm just going to do all these things in the next video, I'm pretty sure. So you need to know me. You know, at the moment we just make this personality, you are supposed to know me. We connect, you just know who you are supporting. But for now, what I just heard you, support me. In any way you have, just support me. Yeah. Actually, I've also traveled. I've traveled from a very, very long distance from Nairobi to this point. A very far distance. I just came to see Marwa. You know, Marwa is one of those guys who have integrity. Actually, they have integrity. Marwa has a lot of integrity from himself, from inside. You see, when you have integrity, it brings loyalty. And then when you have loyalty, your fans, your supporters, your audience, they just trust in you. The audience of Marwa, they really support him. They really believe in Marwa. At the moment you just want anything, just be loyal. Just have that integrity, like trust your instincts or something. Yeah, so I think I just want to be Marwa. Yeah, one of these fine days, I just want to be like Marwa. Yeah. Everything has a beginning and everything. So, yeah. Actually, yes. So, guys, stay tuned. Support me. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Leave a sweet comment. What else? Share, like, all those things. Yeah. I'm just going to take you through this journey. In every journey, there's a starting point. So this is my starting point. I think it's not that bad. It makes some sense. So guys, support me. I need your support. We just start this Nini journey together. Yeah. Yo, you guy, my guy. I'm just speaking to that guy in university, in college. Do you know that one? Do you know that one certificate that they're just looking for? There are 1,000 people out here that just have that certificate. So that certificate is a guarantee of job seeking. So I'm not just saying to leave school, but I'm just saying a lot of people out here, including me, we have those strong careers. and we have those certificates. But let me tell you something. Those certificates, they facilitate you to job huntings. It is nothing. It is not like it is just a guarantee. It is just like a wish. I don't know how to say it, but let me not say it.